Hi, I'm Amy Hluchyj. Welcome to my latest listing. I'm here at 1191 Limeridge Road East on Hamilton Mountain. Now, for those of you who think Hamilton Mountain has become too expensive and out of reach, I have a great opportunity for you. This detached two-story house is priced for well under $400,000. At 1,400 square feet, it offers 3 very spacious bedrooms and a 4-piece bathroom on the second floor. On the main floor, you'll find the kitchen, 2 dining areas, the living room, and a powder room. Down in the basement, you'll find great ceiling height and the perfect place to add a 4th bedroom if you need it, and a large rec room. Not to mention, unlike today's new neighborhoods, you get a family-sized, fully fenced backyard. And you've got parking for 3. This is a great house in a great location. It steps to Albion Falls, which has hiking and biking trails. It's close to Stony Creek Mountain with shopping and restaurants, Limeridge Mall, schools, highway access, and public transit. I hope you enjoyed the tour of this great house. If you have any questions or would like to book a private showing, please contact me today. Who knows, you could be walking in to your new home. I'm Amy Hluchyj. Thanks for watching.